Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best PC cases.
Starting at number 5.
Phanteks Evolv Shift X. When you first look at the Phanteks Evolv Shift X, it looks more like a soundbar than one of the best PC cases, but this helps it vanish into any living area or studio setup. It's flexible to the point that it looks natural placed under a TV as it does on a desk, next to one of the best gaming monitors. It may only be compatible with a mini ITX motherboard, but the Phanteks Evolv Shift X offers tons of space for components and liquid cooling loops. If this case is a little large for your preference, you can get the smaller Phanteks Evolv Shift for easier management.
Coming at number 4.
NZXT H510. Every single day mini ITX gets more popular, and closer to toppling micro ATX. And, it makes sense, why not spring for a small computer that can get just as much work done as a full tower. NZXT's H-series case line manages to integrate a ton of features along with great cable management, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants a neat PC build that they can show off with pride. New features: front I/O USB Type-C port and tempered glass side panel with single screw installation. Enhanced cable management. Our patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive. Streamlined cooling. 2 Air F120mm fans included for optimal internal airflow, and the front panel and PSU intakes include removable filters. Removable bracket designed for radiators up to 240mm simplifies the installation of either closed-loop or custom-loop water cooling. Motherboard support: mini ITX, micro ATX, and ATX.
At number 3.
Nanoxia Deep Silence 4. As its name suggests, the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4 has the sole purpose of being quiet as a mouse. This silence-focused case is a well-balanced micro ATX chassis that's affordably priced, without sacrificing room for expansion. That's right, you can fit even the biggest, most powerful graphics cards in the Nanoxia Deep Silence 4. The fact that you will never hear it go above 30 decibels is just icing on the very taciturn cake. A mini tower for compact and silent performance systems, with modular drive cages and space for full-size components, fits micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards. Silent PC case with thicker than normal metalwork, dense sound dampening materials, rubber vibration isolators, and insulated drive doors to keep the noise contained. Space for full-size GPU, with 2 of 3 HDD cages can be removed for installation of the largest and most powerful graphics card, 1 HDD and 1 SSD.
Number 2 of my list.
Fractal Design Meshify. It is extremely rare to see any PC case that even vaguely resembles the Fractal Design Meshify C. Given that the front of the case is entirely made of a mesh material sectioned off into an array of polygonal shapes, the Meshify C has a unique style without compromising on function. With 2 fans pre-installed, cooling is, forgive us, a breeze, even if the Meshify C is held back by a number of obstacles. Streamlined high airflow design. The performance and capacity of a full tower in a remarkably compact mid-tower size. Newly designed angular mesh front panel maximizes air intake. Tinted tempered glass side panel for a clean-looking exterior with full interior visibility.
And number 1.
Lian Lancool 2 Mesh. The Lian Lancool 2 Mesh is an excellent way to kick off our list. Not only does it come equipped with 3 RGB fans, it also supports a whopping 9 drives for storage. You can turn this case into a bona fide gaming rig or storage beast, with plenty of room for expansion and radiator placement. If you're looking for a case that can easily grow with your future PC upgrades, this is a great starting point. Specifications: MFR part number, LAN 2 MRX bullet points, 3X included 120mm 3-pin 1300 RPM ARGB fans. LED can control directly through the MNC button on the I/O. Users can also sync with MB2 colors. Variation: a Euro black and white version versus performance only comes in black version color. Black motherboard. EATX/ATX, width, under.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.